Hey, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and founder of the Luxury Listing Specialist certification. This video I'm going to be sharing with you is about an exciting product that we offer for agents. If you're interested, contact us, but I'm going to try to cover as much detail in this video as possible. It's called our Luxury Rockstar Package. I believe the fastest way to get instant credibility from people that know you, like you, and trust you, or people that don't know you, like you, and trust you, is through authorship. And so I've written a book in the past called Marketing Luxury. It's geared towards home sellers. And we are now making this available to one agent per marketplace. And basically, you don't have to write the book. We've wrote it. But what we're going to do is we're going to set up an interview with you. We're going to give you a list of questions ahead of time so you're prepared. We set up an interview. We record that interview. And then we transcribe, and our writers basically edit out and write the foreword to the book Marketing Luxury, where your name will be on the front cover, the back cover, and the foreword will be included in the book called Marketing Luxury that we've already written, geared towards home sellers. So giving you water through a fire hose, but you basically get three cover options. You can go with a white cover option, a blue, or a black, and you can change out the pictures on the front of the book as well, because maybe you say this is a great book, but man, we don't have houses like that in our market. Well, as long as you submit us photos that meet our criteria, we can put your own photo of a house on the cover of the book. But again, your name will go on the front of the book, your picture, your contact information on the back. So we're going to help you leverage this book. You're going to get, here's what you get. You get 100 copies of the book. You can always order future copies in the future. You get 100 copies. This is only available for agents that have our certification and are in good standing. So if you want 100 copies of the book, if you want to contribute to the book called Marketing Luxury, reply to this email. I'm going to give you 3 bonus items. Bonus item number 1, we're going to do a couple fast start coaching calls. We're going to do one call before you contribute, just going over why you want to do this and the benefits of it. And then once you get your book, we're going to go over best practices so you can leverage being a contributor to the book called Marketing Luxury. Number 2, we're going to have you as a guest on our podcast. You can go to iTunes or Stitcher, look up Luxury Listing Specialist, or go to luxurylistingpodcast.com, and you'll see some rock star guest I've had on my podcast, and you're going to have the power of association because you're going to be a guest on our podcast. And number 3, I'm going to throw in a bonus item. Our third bonus item is my canceled and expired, my $1 million mailer for canceled and expired. Again, you show up with the book Marketing Luxury on a canceled and expired listing appointment or any listing appointment, you're going to differentiate yourself. So Luxury Rockstar, we interview you, your name goes on the front, your name and cover, excuse me, your name and your picture and your bio on the back. You're in here at the forward, and you can tweak the cover, the picture on the cover as well. So call me, email me what questions you have. Our contact information is below. Luxury Rockstar, one agent per area. Let us know what questions you have. Take care.